Hi, my name Muhammad Hazirul. I'm from S1G2.
Hi, my name is Tan Choyin and I'm from S1G2.
Hi, my name is Afi Iskandar and I'm from S1G1.
Hi, my name is Rishi. I'm from S1G2.
We are Group 15. This is our group project how to install Windows 10.
Before we start our installation Windows 10, I'm going to describe you pros and cons for this operating system. So we're going to pros with a simple setup and migration experience. Second, improve setup and recover tools backup. Third, clean modern logical user interface with less distraction. Fourth, window update using local network updating. Last, action center for centralization and managing app and system notification. So we're going to cons two-step process for performing a clean install and activation compliance check and 32 to 64 bits migrations. Mandatory automatic updates give user less control over managing updates they might not want or can potentially cause damage. Third, some function have been moved around that will require familiarization. Fourth, number of control panel items have been not modernized. Last, no extension model in some site. We still need to depend on Internet Explorer.
So we will continue with the installation of the Windows 10 operating system. So firstly, we will go to the website to download the Virtualbox. So over here, you can see that this is the website to download the Virtualbox. Over here, you can download the Windows host, and then you can press start download to download the ISO for Windows 10, and there will be a link in the description down below for the website to download VirtualBox. So now we're going to continue with the ISO. So you can go to the Windows 10 website, and for the first link, you can just press download tool now and then press OK. So press open, then it will continue to download the ISO file as been seen here. We are going to continue to open the VirtualBox. We'll continue with new. Name of the operating system, you can put any name that you want. For now, we put Windows 10. Press next. And we can put any memory size that you want, not exceeding the red mark as we've seen here. And then we can continue by pressing next. So the hard disk is the original, so we can just press create, and then we can just press next. We can continue with next, and then with the 50 gig file location and size, we're just going to continue with it. So we press create. So we are going to open the settings and then go to storage. Over here, we're going to press the empty, and we choose the optical drive to choose. And so we can go to desktop and select the ISO folder for the Windows 10. Press open, press OK. And so let's start the operating system. So now as you can see, another Windows is open to open the installation of Windows 10. So over here, you can just select any language to install that you want, and then anytime in currency format, keyboard input method, and we're just gonna continue with that. Press next, and we're just gonna start install now in the middle. So we're gonna let it install its own setup. And now if you have to activate Windows, you can just put the product key. If you don't have, you can press that, and then you can just straight on select the operating system that you want to install. So for now, we're gonna install the Windows 10 home operating system. So we're gonna press next. For now, you can just accept the license terms, press next. So the type of installation that you want is we're gonna choose custom for now. and then we can just press next. So for now, it will automatically set up for you the Windows and install it, so we can just wait for it to finish. Okay, so here with the Windows setup, okay, it will restart to continue, so let it restart now by pressing the button, and then it will restart the Virtualbox all over again, and then it will continue to install the operating system for the Windows 10. Over here you can see it starts with welcome, and then you will have Cortana to assist you. So for now we are just going to mute Cortana's voice, and over here she will be with you to ready up the installation or setup for the Windows 10 operating system. And as you can see, she will introduce herself, and let's dig in with the installation. So we are going to select your region, but for now we're just going to select United States. Click yes, and then we're going to continue with the keyboard layout. We're just going to continue with yes. So we don't need to add a second keyboard layout, so we can just press skip. So over here we seen that it already logs in with the account, so we are not going to sign in with Microsoft for now, so we can just click offline account, and it will bring us to the usage of this PC. So for the user, we're just going to put in any name that you want. For now, we're just going to put user, so we're going to click next, and then we are not going to create a super memorable password for now, so we're just going to press next. So there's this choice to make Cortana your personal assistant, but for now we don't need to, so we're gonna just press no. So any privacy settings that you want to set, it depends on you, so we're just gonna press accept for everything. So here after that, it will bring us to the Windows 10. So over here you can see that we have completely installed Windows 10 as our operating system. So that's it for now. Thank you.
Okay, now I'm going to tell you how the OS works. So this is the Windows 10. This is user interface for the Windows 10. As we can see at the bottom right corner, this is the notification button. We will get a message if there is an update, and this is the setting for the OS. We can see here this is there is a system, device, phone, and so on. So here is the date and the time, and here is the speakers. We can adjust the volume, and then this is the connected network. So we can change the network by clicking here. Okay, and then this is the icon for the Internet Explorer. So if you click there, the Internet Explorer will pop up. So we're going to close that for now. So now this is the start manager of the OS. So as we can see here, there is many files here. So and then we're gonna search for this PC. In this PC, there is a allocation size. So as we can see here, there is a OS. This is the file for the OS. Okay, and then we can also search for anything, for any file or any folder here. For example, here window, we can see all the file and all the folder. So that is how the OS works. A brief explanation how the OS works. Thank you.
So that is all from us. We hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, comment down below, and we will see you next time.